Hello friends, welcome to this course. I know that many of you want to learn the data science using Python in this 2020 era, where you want to be a pro in data science, the basic analytics and machine learning, artificial intelligence and all the buzzwords which are going in the market. So we are going to start a free series on the YouTube, so you guys can subscribe. Very soon we are going to come up with our very basic videos. So what we have thought of is we'll definitely going to provide you the maths behind each and every logics, the programming from the scratch. So either you are a new one, you are from the any different domain, different job profile, or even if you are a student and you want to learn the data science, the 21st century sexiest job, then this is the one stop for you all guys. So I'm looking for your participants. All the best. Bye. See you.